BMW's UK engine factory. Powering luxury from Birmingham for its 25th anniversary, BMW's Hams Hall engine factory isn't just celebrating, it's powering a new era of luxury performance. While much of the UK automotive spotlight falls on high-volume brands, this 85-acre facility quietly produced over 400,000 powertrains last year, bringing its total output past 7.6 million since opening in 2001. From compacts to supercars, a quarter-century of production, Hams Hall initially made a name for itself, building engines for minis and entry-level BMWs, beginning with the 1.8-liter unit in the 316T compact. The factory was an early adopter of valvetronic technology, marking a commitment to efficiency. However, recent shifts in BMW's strategy have elevated Hams Hall's role significantly. Starting in 2022, BMW moved V8 and V12 engine production from Munich to Hams Hall, freeing up space in Germany for electrification efforts. This means that the engines powering Rolls-Royce and BMW's high-performance M division cars are now built in an unassuming industrial park just outside Birmingham. The human touch in high-performance engineering the V8 line at Hams Hall stands in contrast to the heavily automated 3- and 4-cylinder production. 84% of the V8 assembly process is still done by hand, with automation reserved for the most complex or repetitive tasks. The 6.75-liter V12 engines destined for Rolls-Royce are entirely hand-built. The V8 engine is a bit of a beast, says James McDonald, a leader in V-engine production. You've got to want to do it to be able to get into it. This reflects the high expectations of customers who demand peak performance from these engines. Why this matters: BMW's decision to consolidate high-performance engine production in the UK highlights a strategic shift. Luxury and performance are becoming increasingly centralized in a single, specialized facility. This move underscores the continued value of skilled labor in automotive manufacturing, even as the industry pivots toward electrification. The Hams Hall factory is not just building engines. It's building a legacy of British engineering excellence within a global luxury brand. The facility's output supports some of BMW's most prestigious models, ensuring that the future of high-performance driving remains rooted in the West Midlands.